Hello everyone, it's Yuki from Little Hack. So I'm gonna make some more Christmas decoration using origami. So today's phrase is gonna be guess what it is. Guess what it is. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Let's get started. Alright, first one, guess what it is. I'm gonna make two pieces of about 1.5 centimeter of origami and attach together like this. And then now folding cross shape like this. Now you see a hole on top right here. Yeah, put the edge of origami into the hole and make a pentagon shape like this. This remaining part you can put inside the pocket like this and keep the nice pentagon shape. There you go. All right. Do you know what it is now? Now you just keep folding backwards along the pentagon shape. Keep rolling, keep rolling. There you go, nice pentagon shape. Do you know what it is now? Now all you have to do is just push inside from 5 sides. Guess what it is? It's a star. Ta-da! Now next, let's fold in triangle. Guess what it is? Let's fold in triangle the other way as well. You can guess with the color as well. The red color, something. Okay, now fold in half. When you open, you see a crease here, and then here, and then here. Now let's make another crease here. So let's fold in half again. Now let's open up, and now let's fold this part just a little bit, let's say 1.5 to 7 centimeters like this. Yeah, just roughly it's 1.5 to 7 centimeter. Now let's fold in triangle here and here. You just have to push in like this. Push in. Yes, like that. Perfect. All right, now flip over and let's bring the mountain top to the bottom line like this. Okay, now flip over again. All right, now here, put your finger in here and open all the way up until here and fold it. You can almost see the shape. Guess what it is? And you just have to fold in half. You know what it is now? Ta-da! But not finished yet. That's right, it's a Christmas boots. Let's fold in the top of the boots. And then, now it's completed. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Now I'm gonna need the one piece of origami and just the half of quarter size of origami. So only this part. Alright. Let's start with the big one. Let's fold in half. And the other way as well. This one's simple, very simple. Now when you open, let's fold the 4 sides into the center crease, but not to the crease all the way. Let's make some space, about 0.5 millimeter. like this, and then flip over. And then let's bring the top of origami to the center crease like this. Now look at this. As you can see, one sides meet each other, but the other sides doesn't meet each other. But that's okay. When you flip over, it's completed, but not yet. Alright, it's almost done. You know what it is now? Now let's move on to the little ones. Let's fold in half first, open up, and fold both sides to the center crease. Now flip over and fold both sides to the center crease as well. Now you spread the back side of origami like this, and if you flip over, it's a bit complicated part, but about 1/3 of origami here. You fold origami here and try to make kind of triangle shape, only the middle part along the crease, the line, and then try to make a triangle shape like this. And the other side, you fold origami along this line. And same thing, fold in triangle shape like this. You know almost what it is. When you flip over, yes, it's a ribbon. It's a present. Let's move on to the next one. So I'm gonna need 3 pieces of origami and the glue. First, you fold in triangle and open up. And let's fold in cone shape like this. And here, let's fold in along the line. You just have to make 2 more of the same shape like this. You know what it is now? You just have to assemble all these 3 pieces. So I put glue here and attach to the white one, like this. And you kind of lift down to the left and lid on like this. So I'm gonna put glue on this triangle shape like this and lid on. Yes. And next, I'm gonna put the glue on the white one here. Then attach to the green one like this. And again, put it down to the left and lid on. Guess what it is? And the last. I'll put the glue here and attach to the red one. And I'm just gonna have to lid on. Guess what it is? Yes, it's a Christmas tree. Now you can decorate as you like. If you're good at drawing, you can make your own Christmas card and decorate with origami or masking tape or whatever. If you have nice stickers, you can use that as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching the video. See you next time. Bye.